So we got this toy, which the girls really liked, but they started fighting over it, so we decided to get another one. So both the girls have them. And so this one, as you can see, squeaks, and the dogs love it. This one, it does not squeak. I don't know what's going on. So the only obvious answer is to chop its head off and see what's going on inside. So if you want to come closer and check it out, chop this bear's head off. All right. There's the squeaker. What the hell is...
What is that?
I don't know. It's hard. What the hell is it? Jeez. How could you send it like this?
What is wrong with people? Made in China, I bet.
These scissors are made in China, I can tell you that. All right. This is ridiculous. What the hell is this? It's like cloth or something. What the hell is it?
What's that say?
I don't know, read it.
Dare us to make a baby.
That's right, we're pregnant.